Hi, good day everyone. Welcome to Encyclopedia Book again. So in the last session, we have discussed the introduction to regular expression. And in this session, we are going to discuss about the meta character. So what is meta character? See, meta character means the way a regular expression is implemented in Java is we have some special characters, let's say asterisk or any special characters, let's say question mark, or we have plus, or we have some dot operator. So these are the special characters you see, but these special characters has a special meaning. This special character has a special meaning in regular expression implementation in Java. Okay, so what is that special meaning? See, asterisk or question mark or plus is being used as a quantifiers in the regular expression in Java. What is quantifier? We will discuss in another session. Upcoming videos. In upcoming videos, we will discuss in another session. But for now, understand it as a quantifier meaning in regular expression. In regular expression, it has a quantifier meaning. Similarly, dot represent any character in regular expression. Dot represent any character in regular expression. So these are the meta character implementation in regular expression. So another thing is we have apart from this regular expression meaning of these symbols, we have another meaning of also this. We do have another meaning of these symbols in Java language. For example, for multiplication, we use asterisk. For plus addition, we use. For add, we use plus. For subtraction, we use minus. For dot also used as a full stop in strings. This also has another meaning in Java language. So sometime what happens, let's say you are working in regular expression, you are working with regular expression, you want to escape the regular expression meaning of this. When I say regular expression implementation of this means you don't want to use this in regular expression as quantifier, albeit you want to use this as a multiplication. You want to use this as a multiplication regular expression. You want to use plus as a addition operator. You want to use hyphen or this symbol as a minus operator. You want to use this dot as a full stop, not as a any character. So in that case, we would escape the regular expression meaning of it by using the backward slash operator. This backward slash symbol, by using this backward slash symbol, we can escape this. Now, since backward slash itself is a special has a special meaning in regular expression, so you can also escape this by using another backward slash. So two backward slash is needed to escape the regular expression implementation of this special character of meta character, and in order to be able to use it as a normal character, we use this double backward slash, right? So let's quickly jump into the programming example of it. I have jotted it down here. So we have a program here, like this program basically what it will do, it will try to match the A asterisk B means. So let's try to run it, but right now it will not work. It will fail to match the implementation. So why it will fail, we will discuss. So let me just quickly run this. And you see it is saying warning, pattern A asterisk B doesn't match the multiplication since we failed to escape the quantifier meaning of regular. Why it has done this? Because you see asterisk, now this asterisk being used as a quantifier, being understood as a quantifier meaning of quantifier implementation of this regular expression in Java. Hence it is trying to match the 4 times A and then followed by 4 times A and then followed by the asterisk, which is again a operator here. So it is failing this implementation. So if I want to use it as a asterisk B, then I need to escape this regular expression implementation meaning of this asterisk sign. So I would escape it by using this backward slash operator 2 times. So now if I run this program, let me save it. It will give us a perfect match in this string. So you see, it is saying pattern A asterisk B at starting index 6, ending index 9 matches the multiplication meaning since we escaped the quantifier meaning of regex. So this time it succeeds. So this is just a program. I hope you understand this program. I don't need to explain it because it is just a logic the way I have implemented it. But main thing which you want to understand out of this program is the implementation of regular expression. So the twice backward slash I have applied here to use it as a normal asterisk symbol, right? So yeah, so well, that's a pretty much as a as a in a brief about meta characters. Thanks for watching the video. In next session, we are going to discuss about the other concepts of regular expression. Thank you. Wish you a good day. Bye bye.